10 Hyundai cars that became roadside relics. Hyundai Excel. The Excel, Hyundai's late 80s compact, was affordable but plagued by frequent breakdowns and poor build quality, causing maintenance costs to rise, negating its initial budget-friendly appeal. Hyundai Scoop. Introduced in the early 90s, quirky styling and a turbocharged option enlivened it, but weak transmissions and poor durability limited its lifespan. Hyundai Tiburon. The Tiburon competed in the sporty coupe market, but struggled with early build quality issues. Improved later models lacked customization, making it less appealing than rivals. Hyundai Sonata. Early models. Early Sonatas were plagued by weak engines, frequent mechanical issues, and rust, resulting in poor durability and high maintenance needs. Hyundai's XG300 and XG350 luxury sedans, despite being feature-rich, suffered from electrical problems and costly repairs, leading many to abandon them before achieving classic status. Hyundai's Veracruz, a spacious full-size SUV with premium aspirations, faced pricey engine and transmission issues. Although not universal, these costly repairs deterred many owners from fixing them. Hyundai Entourage. Produced from 2007 to 2009, the Entourage shared Kia Sedona's platform. Despite decent features, Hyundai's weak minivan reputation led to poor sales and limited recognition. Hyundai Genesis Coupe. The Genesis Coupe, Hyundai's sporty rear-wheel drive, excited enthusiasts but faced issues. Its cheap interior and limited customization marred appeal. Rising repair costs led many to abandon the car, leaving its potential unrealized. Hyundai Veloster, first gen. Veloster's initial three-door design intrigued but lacked performance. The base engine was dull, and dual-clutch issues plagued early models, overshadowing later improvements. Hyundai Equus. Equus aimed to redefine Hyundai luxury with premium features at low costs. However, scarce parts and costly repairs led many to abandon it amid significant issues.